guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how to build a bong in Minecraft. So I no longer live in grandma's house, so now I can smoke weed whenever I want. And I'm gonna do a bong, and I'm like gonna smoke a lot of weed. So today we're gonna like build a bong in Minecraft. So you wanna start out like this, and yeah, I'm doing this 100% in survival, no cheats at all. But anyways, guys, we're gonna build a fucking bong in Minecraft. Now, after this video, I'm gonna go on a train and I'm gonna go to the weed store and I'm gonna buy myself a first bong. And I'm gonna get look at the fat Disney man because I think it's pretty cool now. And yeah, I no longer live in my grandma's basement, and I moved to the city, and I went to my grandma. Yeah, this is how you build a bong in Minecraft. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. And now you're gonna make the weed bong, the little, like, fire part of the weed bong, because weed is like fire, you know? I really like weed because it's funny, and weed is cool, and, so you want to get like I don't know, like black wool, I guess. No. You could get so this is even better. So yeah, this is an epic weed bong Minecraft build tutorial. So it gets like some netherrack, and get like a fire, and then put it in there like that. And you got the good shit. And now I can actually say swear words because I no longer live with my grandma. So and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to fill the thing with water up into like so you got like, this is like the weed bong water, which is pretty cool. But my grandma wouldn't let me say swear words when I recorded my old videos. But now I no longer am at my grandma's house, so yeah, I can now swear in my videos, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I did abandon my grandma, but now I can smoke weed and swear. It's pretty cool. And also I have a girlfriend now, so I'm better than you. Yeah, I'm better than you. But anyways, here is we build up the weed bong like this. This is the epic Minecraft weed bong tutorial on how to build a weed bong. So and after this, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go to the weed store. I got some cash saved up, and I'm gonna go buy a big bong, and I'm gonna get high because weed is pretty cool, and you want to make the top of the weed bong. The weed bongs can be made out of glass, plastic, silicone, but even though they use fire, like weed bongs are pretty cool. So here is the weed bong. I'd say I made a pretty cool weed bong in Minecraft, just like that one, except this one has fire, because weed is freaking fire. So anyways, guys, yeah, so I have some cool videos planned in the future, but yeah, I'm gonna go smoke some weed now, and I have a girlfriend now, so I'm better than you. But anyways, bye guys.